Welcome back again, solving another quick numerical meant for your JEE Main and Advanced. And this time it is also a general case. What is the velocity reached by a mass, and the mass is being driven by a constant power? If a given mass is being driven by a constant power, what will be its velocity when it has traveled a distance x, starting from rest, that is to be understood. There are four choices. So let us begin. Now, I explained power is equal to work done over time. If the value of work done is known, T is known, then just use this expression. Or if this work is variable, then we have to differentiate. Now, write it this way. Work done, that is equal to Fs of cos theta over T. S over T is velocity, that is Fv of cos theta. So if angle between F and V is 0, cos 0 is 1, so this becomes F times V is your power. So now your P is equal to F times V. Now, how to express this? F is equal to mass times acceleration. Now, I have to change this acceleration to a form so that I will be able to integrate it. So, I can write this acceleration as a dv over dt, means how the velocity is changing with respect to time. Now, that can be rewritten as, I have to again change it to a suitable form. I divide by ds, then I multiply by ds, means I do not make any change. By doing so, this part becomes velocity. So, m dv over ds, this is your velocity. Now, what is to be understood is this is nothing but same thing as the acceleration. So, on this side is your p. So what do I do? M into V, mv square. So, mv square dv over ds is equal to your power p. Now, I have taken ds as the displacement. It was given in the book, in the numerical, x as the displacement. So, I should have here instead of ds, I should have write it as dx. Then it should have become m v square dv over dx. Just a symbol. S is displacement. I am replacing with x because it was in the numerical. It was given, x was given as the distance traveled. Now, if you cross multiply, your p times dx becomes mv square dv, and it is given in the numerical that the power is constant power p. So, if you integrate this side and this side, p is a constant, is taken out, integration of dx. Now, integration of dx, so is equal, m is taken out, integration of v square dv. Now, what will be the limit of integration? Starting from, this is 0 to x, and it was asked starting from rest. So this will be from 0 to v. Integration of dx is x, so p, then the value of x from 0 to when it has traveled a distance x is equal to m times. So this becomes v cube over 3, its value from 0 to v. Now let me bring it here. So p times the upper limit x minus 0 is equal to, I put v here, so is equal to m times v cube over 3 minus, if you put 0 here, 0 to the power 3 0, that is 0 over 3, 0 by something is 0. So p times x is equal to mv cube over 3. Now we are supposed to find the velocity. So by cross multiplying this, so mv cube is equal to 3px, where p is power, x is the distance traveled, m is multiplied, goes to the other side, v cube, so we have to take the cube root. So your v becomes 3p over m times x and cube root of that, So 3px over m cube root of that. So v is equal to 3px over m cube root of that. So this is C is your answer. So that's all about her. Thank you.